Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about biostatistics. We are going to talk about stem and leaf plot, how to build it. But before I will show you, I want to tell you that some of the people keep asking me how biostatistics is different from statistics. Isn't it the same thing? And actually it is, but consider such comparison. Imagine that you have a construction site and many people working there, and every specialist has its own set of tools. For example, painter has his own tools which are different from, for example, electrician. An electrician has different set of tools if we compare with the plumber, and so on. So they are doing the same thing, but everyone using their own set of tools. The same thing is true for biostatistics. You don't have to learn the whole statistical methods because some of them are really applicable, and biostatistics only concentrate on certain methods which are used in biology and which are common tools for biology. And stem and leaf plot is one of such things. So stem and leaf plot is a special table where each data value is split into stem, the first digit or digits, and leaf usually the last digit. So here we have set of certain numbers. Some of them start with 1, some with 2, some with 3, and some with 4. So let's build a table where we have two columns. One we call stem, another leaf. So stem and leaf. So we put in stem 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now take a look. 15 consists of 1 and 5. 1 we already put in stem, so we put 5 here. Then goes 16, which consists of 1 which we already put in a stem and 6. So we put 6 here. Then go 21. We already put 2 in the stem, so we put 1 in the leaf. So we put 1 here. Then go 23. We put 3 here. Another 23. We put 3 here. And 26. We put 6 here. Another 26. We put 6 here. Then goes 30. We already put 3 in the stem, and 0 we put in the leaf. So we put 0 here. And another number is 32, so we put 2 here. And the last number is 41. We put already 4 in the stem, so now we have to put 1 in the leaf. We're done. We just converted this set of numbers into the stem and leaf plot. This is how easy to do it. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.